Some of y'all might remember about a month ago, Daniel Cameron went back to court to go before a judge to request that the Breonna Taylor case be sealed. And the judge didn't give a ruling right away, but have since given a ruling. So the judge looked at everything that Daniel Cameron presented and decided to leave the case unsealed. So look like Daniel Cameron has failed in his request to keep this case completely covered. I'm glad the judge came back with this ruling. While Danny is off trying to save the president from an already failed re-election for him, the judge is moving forward and saying, everything has already been presented about this case. What would be the purpose in sealing it? See, Breonna still didn't get her day in court, everybody, and we can't lose sight of that. So, and Brett Hankinson, he got a lot on his plate other than the Breonna Taylor case. He is also charged in a sexual assault case. So this dude, you can tell he's nothing but bad news. So, ladies and gentlemen, this came out on Wave 3 News. Breonna Taylor, judge rules to unseal evidence in Brett Hankinson's criminal case. A judge ruled not to seal evidence in the criminal case against a former LMPD detective involved in the deadly Breonna Taylor raid. Brett Hankinson was one of 3 LMPD officers who fired their weapons during a March raid at Taylor's apartment, but was the only one charged. He faces 3 counts of wanton endangerment for firing into neighboring apartments. Nobody was charged directly in Taylor's death. In her ruling, Circuit Judge Ann Bailey Smith said case evidence does not need to be obscured from anyone outside Hankinson's defense team or Kentucky Attorney General Daniel Cameron's office. This court finds that no sufficient justification was advanced by either the prosecutor or the defendant to seal the discovery, Bailey Smith said in her 4-page ruling. She also said much of the evidence already has been made public. On September 23rd, Cameron announced his office findings in the Taylor case, including hours of audio recordings of the grand jury testimony. The following week, LMPD did the same with its Public Integrity Unit investigation. Bailey Smith gave both sides another 30 days to continue to review evidence and propose any redactions. So nothing will be sealed. And it shouldn't be. And Breonna Taylor, y'all need to set up a trial so that these cops can be charged. And Brett Hankinson is not the only one that should be charged. Y'all really need to get your act together there in Kentucky. And they need to be charged, and there should be a trial for Breonna Taylor. She still didn't get her day in court, and people should be demanding that. Daniel Cameron seems to think he is the only one that can determine whether Breonna Taylor's case goes before a jury or not. Wrong. That should be the ultimate goal. And I know the family is fighting for that, because I was reading some of the interviews that were done with her mother over the last few weeks, and her mother is still fighting to get Breonna Taylor's case brought into court. So, I would love to laugh in Daniel Cameron's face about this one. It's a damn shame I can't do it. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. peace, family.